So there are so many type of appliances. It can be inside your mouth or around your face. These ones, they are very fantastic helping aids as well. They do not really fix the problem as such or the cause of it, but they are helping to make it less complicated and adding more benefit to your treatment as well. For example, you have an appliance that you wear at night time. It goes around your teeth, and basically it's helping moving your jaw forward. And by moving the jaw forward, which something no one else can do it apart from the dentist, it helps to open the airway at the back, making your breathing a lot easier and more efficient. Other appliances, it could be something to help those who are chronic mouth breather, and it's something can help by keeping them keep their mouth closed at night time, which basically can reduce their snoring as well. Most of these appliances, it's best to be recommended by a health professional. So please, if you think that you would like to investigate these appliances, discuss it with a health professional first and try to avoid getting it from the over the shelves, because it will need to be assessed clinically.